Hi students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in the subject Advanced Computer Architecture is Instruction Pipelining. So before going to understand the concept of the instruction pipeline and the pipeline designing, let me give the clarity on the concept of pipeline. First try to understand what exactly the pipeline is, then we will see the definition of instruction pipeline and the concept of the pipeline, instruction pipeline. Okay. As all of you know the famous example, so in all the textbooks and wherever you have found, you had seen an example of water bottle, water bottle packing plant, packaging plant. So they are taking this example as to explain the pipeline because this is a regular concept, means you're easy to understand what exactly the pipeline is if you consider this example. So water bottle packaging plant, if you take that company, so you all know that the water bottle means here there are completely three stages are there. If you consider the this packaging plant, whatever the water bottle manufacturing packaging plant, so they are considered three stages. So one first stage is inserting the bottle, right or wrong? They are trying to insert the empty bottle, right? Inserting the bottle, let's call it as I. And the next stage, they are trying to fill the water bottle. So in the next stage, they are trying to filling the water. Let's call it as F. And in the third stage, they are sealing the bottle. Sealing bottle. Let's call it as S. So these are the three stages that this water bottle packaging plant consisting of. They are trying to first insert the bottle. After inserting the bottle in a track, okay, after that they are trying to fill the water bottle and then they are trying to sealing the water bottle. So this is a three stage. In each stage, let's take a 1 minute to complete its operation. Inserting bottle takes 1 minute to complete its operation. Filling water bottle, a single water bottle. I'm talking about single water bottle. And sealing single water bottle takes 1 minute. So, the total time taken for a single bottle is 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Suppose, let's consider without pipelining. Let's talk about suppose without pipelining what happened and with pipelining what happened. You are not using the concept of the pipelining. So without pipelining, first what they are doing, their first bottle. Let's take 3 bottles. So the water bottle packaging plant, they are trying to fill the, they want to seal the 3 bottles by following these 3 stages. So in the first bottle, what they are doing, if the without pipelining means, first they are trying to insert the bottle, next filling the water bottle and then sealing the water bottle. Okay. After the completion of these first bottle work, the next bottle is entering. Inserting the bottle, filling the water bottle and then sealing the water bottle. After the completion of this work, they are filling the another bottle. Inserting the water bottle, filling and sealing. So each work it takes 3 minutes, 1 minute time, right or wrong? Okay, this is 1 minute, this is 1 minute and this is 1 minute. So first bottle takes 3 minutes time and the second bottle 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So 2 bottles it takes 6 minutes time and third bottle 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So total how many? Total it takes 9 minutes to fill these bottles, to deliver this bottle, means to come out of the 3 bottles, inserting, filling, sealing. The total 3 bottles is taking 9 minutes. Okay, that means average 9 by 3 it takes 3 minutes. Okay, so let me take 9 by 3, average it will be 3 minutes. Now let's consider with pipelining. So what happened if pipelining concept is there? I hope you understand. Without pipelining means after the completion of one task, one complete task, the another bottle will be trying to complete itself. After completing the second bottle, complete 3 stages, then only the third bottle they are doing. Means one complete deliver, after that only they are starting the another work. After completing all the tasks, then they are starting the another task, like that. So if pipelining concept is introduced, whenever the first bottle is trying to insert, first is inserting, okay, next is filling. So whenever the filling is doing by the first bottle, the second bottle is entered. At the same time, whenever the first bottle is in filling stage, the second bottle is entered. Because anyhow, inserting stage is the free. So it is entering. Next, the first bottle is sealing, then the second bottle is in filling stage. At the same time, the third bottle is in insert stage. Because the insert stage is inserting the bottle stage is free. Whenever it is free, then only you are able to use it. Remember that whenever the resource is available, then only we are able to use that resources. So the first bottle is inserting, okay, second bottle, whenever it is filling, the second bottle is entered into that. Okay, whenever the second bottle is in filling stage, then the third bottle is entered into insert stage. Okay, so the insert, filling and sealing. Insert, filling and sealing. So each task will take 1 minute, right or wrong? So 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So within the 5 minutes, the complete 3 bottles task is completed. Within the 5 minutes, the 3 bottles task is completed, right or wrong? So what is the average? The average, it is taking it as 5 by 3 means 1.67 minutes. So thus, what you understand from this example? What you understand? Pipeline operations increases the efficiency of the system. Efficiency, within the less time it is trying to complete the operation. So pipelining concept increases the operations of the pipeline operation is going to increase the efficiency of your system. This is the concept of the pipelining. Now coming to our definition, instruction pipelining. What do you mean by instruction pipelining? So you had seen the concept of the pipelining. If pipelining is there, definitely the work will be completed within a less time with more efficient. Okay, the instruction pipelining means instruction pipeline processor is a processor. Instruction pipeline processor. This is a processor. Remember student, it's not process. Processor means it's a microprocessor, and process means it is an instruction, means a sequence of instructions are there in a single task. This you call it as a process. A sequence of instructions are there. This is a process. And instruction pipelining is a concept of processor, means the processor is supporting the instruction pipelining concept. So you are calling instruction pipeline processor is a processor which executes different instructions which are belonging to a process. I'm talking about process. These instruction pipelining is a processor which executes the different instructions. So here one instruction is addition and another instruction is subtraction, another instruction is multiplication in a single process. So instruction pipeline processor is a processor which executes these different instructions which are belonging to a single processor, which are belonging to a process in its different stages, And one more point, a stream of instructions means these are all the stream of instructions can be executed by a pipeline in an overlapped manner. If you observe, this is following the concept of overlapped manner. If you observe the previous example, whatever I had explained here, this is an overlapping concept. Here there is no overlapping is there. After the completion of the first task, the second task is starting. But here there is a concept of overlapping. So a stream of instructions can be executed by a pipeline in an overlap manner. So this is the definition of the instruction pipeline. If you didn't understand what exactly the meaning of this instruction pipeline, don't worry. In the next video, I'll explain with an example. Thank you.